Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. I do videos on a daily basis, bringing you apps and websites to put a little extra money in your pocket. Don't forget to subscribe and like, hit the notification bell for future videos. Guys, I'm excited about this one. This site can be game changing. This can allow you to quit your 9 to 5. How you want to do this? I'll show you step by step. First, guys, you sign up, your name, email. You do all that, you'll get a email in your inbox. You confirm it, then you get to come back to this site. Then you have to get offers, do offers to get to level 1. Level 1 is $5 per referral. Then 25, 30 is 150. I'll show you guys how you can get started. This is a referral / affiliate marketing site. So these are the offers: Freester, Click Your Score, Road Save, Life Insurance, eVoice, Public Seek, Busta Cheeker, Noom Trial, get your Hulu, LifeLock, Identity IQ, Drop, show you here. I'm not suggesting you do this to get your level 1. Yeah, just to do little offer trials to level up. But I'll show you how powerful this site is, how you can make money right away. I'll show you what I did. I did this. Nielsen Rewards. You follow the steps. Get my iPad here. Sorry. All you do is download this. Sign up first, download it on your mobile device, whether it's iOS or Android and iPad. Then when you do that, it'll take you download it, you gotta download this on your mobile device. When you do, you go to General Settings on your mobile device, and I don't know if you can see. Yeah, can't do it. All right. General Settings, Profile, and Device Management. then that's where you download the app. Then you just follow the steps. Then you're done. You don't need to do anything else. Process takes you 5-10 minutes. Then, when you do that, you gotta wait 1 or 2 days. Then you'll get it credited. Then you'll be on level 1. That's simple, guys. So, all you do, like I said, you download this, that's your time. 5-10 minutes. I mean, very, very easy. I mean, to me, it beats working a 9 to 5. Think what you gotta do for an hour, how much work you gotta do. And you just do this less than like a break time. So what I recommend when you level up to do the free offers, right there, these two give you up to level 2. That's 3. Level 3. That's 15 referral, or no, $25. $25. Just say you got 10. You can easily do that. That's $250 a month. Plus, you get who you referred money. So this is a win-win. You're not only helping this is lifetime, guys. Let's go back. Here, let's not even do the 10. 25 times. Just say you got 100. It's 25 a month, guys. 12 months. It's $30,000. That's more than I made my last job. It's almost double my last job. So how do you refer this? I'll give you little tips, strategies. You can either promote it doing a video like I am. You can do it on social media, Facebook Messenger. Don't spam, guys. Just promote it in the right way. Twitter, Instagram. So yeah, guys, I highly recommend you guys get into doing this. You can make some serious money. This beats doing surveys, watching videos. You can still do that on the side, but this site is for where the real money is, where you can quit your job, make money while you sleep, on vacation. This is the website that can do that. So they got so many offers you can do to level up. Maybe you do this and you get to level 3 or 4. Maybe you can spend like this to reinvest in yourself. To me, that would be worth it. Sometimes you gotta spend money to make money. But all this, guys, is free. So there you go, guys. And it pays out PayPal. Set up your PayPal and it'll get straight over right into there. All right, guys, I got one more thing. Show you how you can promote this. You can do it here. You can do as you landing pages, registration pages. Right here you can have their own URL and custom URLs. And yeah, that's how you get paid. Payment section. So I'm gonna put my link down below in the description if you guys want to get started. Till next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Till my next video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.